girl, Lolita. And Callie, this is just what you're going to do the whole time, huh? Good girl, Lily. You get her. Get her. Good girl. You're going to be sad when she leaves, Callie. You're going to wish you'd played with her. You got some good playtime in there, didn't you? You guys just love each other. Good girl, Lolita.